Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we will solve this exponential equation which is 2 raised to the power 2x square divided by 4 raised to the power x which is equal to 16, and we have to find the value of x here. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2x square divided by, we can write 4 as 2 square and its power is x, which is equal to 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. Now from here, as we know that a raised to the power m whole power n, which is equal to a raised to the power mn, so it will become, so denominator will become 2 raised to the power 2x, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Now again we will use this exponential rule here, which are a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So it will become 2 raised to the power 2x square minus 2x, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Now you can see that here we have bases same, so we will compare its powers, which are 2x square minus 2x, which is equal to 4. Now we can write it as 2x square minus 2x minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now you can see that here we have 2 is common, so taking 2 as common, so 2x square divided by 2 is equal to x square, and 2x divided by 2 is just x, and minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, which is equal to 0. So now we will divide 2 on both sides. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out from here, and it will become x square minus x minus 2, which is equal to 0 divided by 2 will be equal to 0. Now here we have a quadratic equation, and here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 2. And quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's start putting the values of a, b and c. So x is equal to minus into minus 1 plus minus square root of b squares means negative 1 squares, and negative 1 square will be equal to 1 minus 4 ac 1 and c is minus 2 divided by 2, and a is 1. So it will become negative into negative will be positive, plus minus square root of 1 minus into minus plus 4 2 times 8 divided by 2. X is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 is 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 9 will be equal to 3 divided by 2. So from here we have two solutions, which are 1 plus 3 divided by 2 and 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So x is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 2, and 2 1 times 2, 2 times 4. So from here x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. And from here x is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 1 times 2. So from here x is equal to negative 1. and the second value of x is -1. We have two values of x which are 2 and -1. Now we will check that these two values of x satisfy our given equation. To check, we will put x is equal to 2 in this equation, so it will become 2 raised to the power 2. X is 2 square divided by 4 raised to the power x means 2, which is equal to 16. So from here it will become 2 raised to the power 2 and 2 squares means 4 divided by 4 square, which is equal to 16. So from here it will become 2 raised to the power 8 and it can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 square, which is equal to 16. So it will become 2 raised to the power 8 divided by 2 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 16. And by this exponential rule, it will become 2 raised to the power 8 minus 4, which is equal to 16, and it will become 2 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 16. And 2 raised to the power 4 is same as 16. So the value of x is equal to 2 is satisfy our given equation. Now we will check for x is equal to -1. So let's start. 2 raised to the power 2 into -1 square divided by 2 square whole square, which is equal to 16. So it will become 2 raised to the power -1 square means +1. So 2 1 times 2, it means it will become 2 square divided by 2 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 16. Sorry, 4 raised to the power x means 2 raised to the power -1 here. So it will become 2 raised to the power -2. Now 2 raised to the power 2 and -2 will be +2, which is equal to 16, and 2 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 16. So 2 raised to the power 4 is same as 16 is equal to 16. Here 4 raised to the power x and x is -1. So it will become 2 into 1 -2. It means the value of x is +2 and -1. Both values of x satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.